Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sinu. Today, I would like to show you a leaf embroidery using Kashmiri stitches. Before going to detail of the video, hope you know about Kashmiri stitches. If you would like to see more Kashmiri stitches videos, please check out my channel as I already uploaded so many Kashmiri stitches video. If you interested in this type of videos, please check out my channel for details and please subscribe, like, share, comment and please support my channel. Let's begin our embroidery. Take 4 strands of embroidery thread, pierce from the underside, back side of the fabric to upside. Move to the other side of the leaf. Go downward. From the back side of the fabric, go upward, cross over the first stitch and go downward. From the downside, it should go a little straight stitch to the one side of the leaf. Then we should continue with the same stitch, like the same straight stitch, come back stitch, and halfway we should come over the second stitch and pass through under the fabric and move to the periphery. So like this simultaneously we will continue our stitches. Hope you understand how to do this stitching. If you are not able to follow, just comment it below. And if you want more reference also, previously so many Kashmiri stitches videos are there. Please check it out. If you like this type of embroidery video, please give me a like, please share and please watch the video full and please support my channel. Here you can see a second part, that is the half part of the leaf. Here I used a brown color embroidery thread. The main important thing is that the last time where we pricked one side, the opposite side we should prick to the side line. So if it is going to the right side previously, here the overlapping stitch will come to the left side. Hope you will understand this embroidery video. If you understand, if you like it, please give me a like, please comment it, subscribe and please support my channel. Thank you for watching. Wish you a peaceful and blessed day.